Elena Moreno, could I have parties announced?
Elena Sanchez for the state.
Hedrick A. Hicks for the defense.
And are you Elena Moreno Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Sanchez, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers? Your attorney, did you understand it?
This is where the shock sets in. The judge had previously warned that failure to pay by December meant sentencing. Now the deadline is suddenly extended. For victims who showed up expecting closure, this feels like the rug being pulled out from under them.
And sign it in all the appropriate places.
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with theft of property, $30,000 to $150,000 as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Let's pause here. This is serious. Theft between $30,000 and $150,000 is a third-degree felony. That's real prison time. 2 to 10 years isn't a scare tactic. It's the statutory range. From this moment on, everything hinges on restitution.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Notice what just happened. There's no plea deal. This is an open plea, meaning the judge alone decides punishment. That's a huge gamble. The defendant is putting her entire future in the court's hands.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial, and it's the court's understanding that there is no plea bargain in this case. You are entering a plea to the offense. The state will provide evidence for the court to review, and the court will decide punishment. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is that correct, state?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct?
This part often gets overlooked, but it matters. The judge reviews the evidence independently, even after a guilty plea, to make sure there's a legal basis for conviction. This isn't rubber stamping, it's due process.
I'm sorry, defense. State, is that correct?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. I have to do math on the calculator to make sure the numbers are correct. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. And do you all wish to set this for a PSI?
We do, Judge.
All right. I need a reset date for a PSI. And for, is there a top evaluation needed?
No type of evaluation, needed, Judge.
And we can go off the record. What I can tell you is there going to be any funds?
That's what we are hoping to have made available for our sentencing date, Judge.
Okay. And that will need to be brought in the form of a cashier's check or money order. And is that a money order cashier's check for the separate complainants, or?
Yes, Your Honor. It would be 16 separate complainants that I have the amount of names readily available to the defense counsel.
All right. So if you can make sure that, and so the cashier's check will need to be made out to those complainants individually. All right. What date? All right. We'll be back on December 9th.
And just one quick question for the court, Judge. PSIs, have they been coming in around this time or something? I just want to make sure.
Oh, no, the PSI will be done
Okay.
on that.
Okay.
Yes.
I just want to confirm. I've been hearing various different, anywhere from 4 weeks to 12 weeks. So I just want to.
Oh, no, it is 4 to 12 weeks, but sometimes it's here sooner than that. So Vashon is saying, yes, we will have
See
it.
that look
Yes,
at our face. I just wanted to confirm. Thank you.
yes. All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form and speak with,
Judge,
yes.
after she's done handling her probation paperwork, is there a chance that we could take her through the back this way? Because there may be media out there that she doesn't get to face. And
Oh, that's not media for her, is it?
It's not.
No,
I don't know.
That, I think that's for something else.
Was it for something else?
Yeah.
Okay, because we weren't too sure. Her case has been in the media. So
Oh, I don't. I usually at home reading a book.
yeah, you know what? I don't. Maybe it serves me. Maybe it doesn't. But I don't usually watch a lot of local news. So
Yeah. Hey, I don't know unless somebody tells me. I'm like,
well,
oh,
that's fine. It's been.
no, I don't think so. I think they have a trial or something that's
Okay.
going on.
I got it.
Is that correct, Deputy Laura? That's for,
I just wanted to ensure because I know it has been in the news.
okay, thank you.
No,
Mhm.
no, I don't. I don't need that. I'm advertising, but I don't want to advertise that.
All right. Oh, yeah, he has three.
Here's the number that defines this case, just under $13,000. After 6 years, dozens of victims, and tens of thousands already paid, this remaining balance becomes the line between sentencing and mercy.
All right. So in your case, I want to make sure that all the restitution is paid. So what I'm being told is, I see that you paid some restitution today. Approximately, as you said, counsel, 70%.
Roughly, Judge. I want to say that there was a outstanding balance between all the complaining witnesses, about close to 50,000. I think we paid about 36,000.
They tell me that the remaining balance that you owe is $12,094.78.
Yes.
And that would be the total. There's no other outstanding.
No, Judge.
All right, when are you going to be able to pay that?
I can pay that. And are you needing it soon?
Yes.
Okay. 3 months.
All right, and that will be the total?
Yes.
All right. And because I'm telling you that the persons, they want the money back so that they can proceed however they need to proceed with regards to their loved ones. All right, so the $12,094.78, do you have names that are attached to that so that,
So Judge, what it was is we had between me and defense counsel a spreadsheet that we had based on the contracts put into the spreadsheet. Defense counsel then today brought money orders with some amount to each.
This is the judge drawing a hard line. No sentencing until every victim is paid. Restitution first, punishment second. It sounds reasonable, but for the families waiting years for headstones, it feels like justice delayed.
Alleged complainant in this indictment, with the exception of one who is not owed restitution. So they paid him out. So my understanding is it's piecemeal throughout the rest based on what they paid versus total amount. So everybody had some owed to them.
right, so everybody's agreed that the remaining balance total is $12,094.78. And you're saying that that will be completely paid in 3 months?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you all have gone open to the court. So I'm going to want that paid before I sentence you. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So we will place this at the beginning of April. That will give her a little bit more than 3 months to pay the remaining of this restitution. And state, when the money orders are given to your office, are the complainant's name already on those money orders, or is there a second step?
That should be how they are delivered. Judge, I submitted a form for each complainant. It lists the total amount and then the amount paying upfront. So it's just a matter of her turning in the money orders and they will keep track.
All right.
Procedurally, Judge, we went ahead and I asked Ms. Moreno to keep everything blank, and I went ahead and filled in everything based on the restitution form.
All right. And so it has the complainant's name on it. I just want to make
Yes.
sure there's no, oh, we have another process to go through before they even get any amount.
Certainly. And it is, of course, our hope that they were able to get this for the holidays.
Now, the courtroom fades out, but the story doesn't end here. Because outside this hearing are grieving families who believe today was sentencing day, and they're about to tell you exactly how this decision landed.
All right, so what we're going to do then is I'm going to recall this. Norma put this at the beginning of April, and at that time, you need to come with money orders and be prepared to pay the remaining balance that's owed to everybody. Do you understand?
Yes.